Napoleon lost his war because of piles. Piles is nothing but collection of blood vessels in the anal canal. Constipation is the mother of all anorectal problems. So whenever a person while passing stools, if he strains while passing stools, if he passes hard stools every day, if there is an obstruction in the anal canal down, or if the person is an alcoholic and he is got an alcoholic cirrhosis, then the person will have piles in the anal canal. So when you have piles, patient will have some symptoms. He may be of bleeding per anal canal, bleeding while passing stools. He will have pain while passing stools. Sometimes he may have pain, sometimes there may not be pain. He will have some kind of skin tags hanging around the anus. He will have some kind of flesh coming out and going in. Sometimes the flesh comes out and he will push the flesh by his hands by manual manipulation, it goes inside. For a common, normal, healthy man, the main cause of piles is constipation. So now why constipation? 90% of the constipation are due to lifestyle. Not taking enough water, fruits, vegetables, fiber, good sleep, good physical activity. So if all these things or any one of these things are missing, then you will end up in passing hard stools. When you pass hard stools, there is pressure. When there is pressure, there is enlargement of blood vessels in the anal canal. When there is enlargement of blood vessels in the anal canal, there is bleeding while passing stools. I will share a story with you. Napoleon lost his war because of piles. Napoleon had piles. In the Battle of Waterloo, he could not sit on the horse and fight the war. He had to go back to his barrack and he has to take rest. Because of piles, he came back and he lost the Battle of Waterloo and it changed the course of the entire world history. Many people, because of shyness, because of stigma, because of taboo, because of getting bullied by family members and friends, they will not share the problem of piles. And like Napoleon, they lose their battle every day in day-to-day life. When you lose battle every day in day-to-day life, you lose your whole life just because of a simple problem which can be fixed by simple procedures.
With over 1 lakh medical experts and the facility to teleconsult, experience clinic-like consultations on Practo.